Hello children. Now today in maths we are going to learn new topic, that is expanded form in two ways. How to expand this number? How to expand that number I will tell you now. Now already in previous class I told you about place value. If you know the place value only you can expand that. PV, place value, that is ones, tens and hundreds. If you know this one only, you can write that. Now, first here, you should know the place value, which number in which place it is. So, for what you should do, here you should write the place value. Ones, tens. Okay. Now, here, now we will expand that. Now, 5 is in which place? 5 is in tens place. So, you should write here 5 tens. Next, plus. Now, 1 is in which place? Ones place. So, 1 is in ones place. So this is first method, first way. I said no, expanded form in two ways. So this is first way. And second way. Now 5 is in which place? Tens place. Means 5 tens. How much? 50. 5 tens, 50. Plus, now 1 is in which place? Ones place. So, only 1. Got it? So, 50 plus 1, 51. Understood? Now, one more I will tell you. Next one, 93. Now, first thing, what should you do? Write the place values. Ones, tens. Now, again start from here now. 9 is in which place? T for tens. 9 tens. T-E-N-S. Tens. Plus 3 is in ones place. 3 ones. Got it? So, this is first way. Now, second way, 9 tens. How much? 9. Now, 9 tens means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So, how you will count? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So, 9 tens. How much? 90. Plus 3 is in ones place. 3. 90 plus 3? 93. Got it? Now, one more I will tell you. One more I will tell you. 6, 7. Now, first what should you do? Write the place value. Ones, tens. Now, after writing place value, you should expand it. Means you should write clearly. So, 6 is in tens place. 6 tens plus, you should write plus, then 7 ones. 7 is in ones place, so 7 ones. Now first method is finished. Now second method, because we are telling two ways, no? So first way is this, second way 6 tens. 60. Plus, don't forget to write this plus. Got it? Now next. 7 is in ones place. So 60 plus 7, 67. Now next. D. 29. Now again first you should write this one, then only you can expand it. Without writing this one you can't expand it. So first you should write the place value of the numbers. Now 2. 2 in first tens place. Now 2 is in tens place. So 2 tens. Less. Next 9 ones. First method finished. Now second, 2 tens means 20 less 9. 20 plus 9, 29. So you should write like this. Got it? Thank you.